The high-end audio brand Hegel Audio, they have just released a new streaming amplifier. This is the H150 model. It's definitely replacing their previous model, the H120. If you don't know much about Hegel, Hegel is a Norwegian brand. They've been around for some time. Some of their products are very expensive, and this is one of their newest releases. So first of all, there will be some technology that will carry over from the previous model, but the company has made some changes. There are some upgrades that will intrigue a lot of people. The brand Hegel says that their new H150 is a complete system solution. So one thing that will impress people is that it integrates streaming, multiple digital and analog inputs, and it also has this built-in moving magnet phono stage. This is all in one, literally. It gives you all these features together. The other thing again is that dedicated phono preamplifiers are expensive depending on the brand you're buying, but for the fact that you can get it in a one system like this, literally it's fantastic. It's basically a streaming amplifier but still doubles up as a phono preamplifier, which is fantastic. Now the other thing again is that you can add a turntable to this model. It's going to perform really well. The other thing again is that there is USB-A input that will allow playback from flash drives or even hard drives if you want to hook that up to it. It's more or less a good alternative to a music server. But then again, the fact that it allows you to play back music on the highest format possible is fantastic. It has 75 watts of output into 8 ohms each channel. So for the two channels, that's about 150 watts combined. So it's powerful enough. It should be able to run most speakers, not all, but most speakers should be able to run on this streaming amplifier. It does come with a sound engine 2 technology. It's a circuit that continuously corrects for crossover distortion in real time. The other thing again is that this model can power speakers even down to 2 ohms, which is amazing and fantastic at the same time. The other thing again is that it has very good transformer inside it, a very large toroidal transformer. There is also a high-speed capacitor that sits at the heart of the design. It's really good, more or less. And it has support for many streaming services like Tidal Connect, Qobuz Connect, Google Cast, Apple AirPlay. With it even has Ethernet radio. You can even update the model, this particular model, through the Hegel Control app. Automatic firmware updates will even expand more functionalities over time. So it's definitely very good. It even has more digital connectivity for your usage. You have 2 optical inputs. One is better suited for TV. At least they have optimized it for TV. And then you have coaxial in and output. USB-A, there's also USB-B. They give you so many options here, honestly, with this model. It's not that cheap. Now, if you want to buy it in the European market, it's going to be priced at 2,995 euros. If you want to buy it in the US market, it will be priced at $3,600. I'm going to drop all the necessary information for you guys down below so you can check it out. Do subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.